It's TitanicFeetJack back with another video. Today we got heat on deck as always. We'd like to welcome everybody to the video. Shout out to all the subscribers. Shout out to the TF gang. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to everyone that's not part of the TF gang family yet. I'd like to welcome y'all as well. If you want to be part of the family, this is what you do. Like the video that you're watching now, leave a comment, and after those comments, leave hashtag TF gang at the end of all your comments. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel and turn on those post notifications so you know every time a video drop. Today we got some heat. You know, I don't want to wake up, baby. Let's go ahead and look at it. Look at the label. Air Jordan 4 Retro. Color, University Blue, black. Size 14. Retail price $225. We look at the box. Flight box. Jordan logo, Air. You got your salt and pepper bottom. All right, we're going to take these out the box. Let's take these boys out the box. You have your box top, inside of the box top, and you have your standard black trash bag type paper. And whoa, look what we got. Travisscott 4s. Look at these bad boys here. Give y'all a good little 360. Right, outsole. Take the other sneaker out the box. We're gonna get into the video. We have the Jordan Retro 4 travisscott. Get a good look at these. These are pretty smooth shoe. It was high demand as always when it comes with a fire collab. This collab is between Jordan and travisscott. He's a up-and-coming rapper out of the Houston, Texas area. But let's get into the sneaker. The upper of the sneaker is University Blue, and it's a nice short grain of suede there. You have your black netting that's significant on your retro 4s. You have paint speckles on your wings. Your wing emblems, your wings are black with the University Blue paint speckles. And it comes with a tag. This tag is suede, some durable suede material, and you can see your Jumpman Jordan logo on one side. Flip it on the other side, you have cactusjack. Looking at your midsole, you have that hit of white here, and there's white around your air unit, your air system. On the inside, you got red in there, no tinted windows. And to complete your midsole, you have black going all around the midsole, which leads to the outsole. Looking at the outsole, you have in black outsole with a red Jordan Jumpman right here, and you have that hit of translucent material here. Is translucent to white, clear to straw yellow maybe. Go ahead and look at the heel of the sneaker. Look at your retro 4 heel tab. This one says cactusjack. Is in red lettering, is black, and you have your University Blue paint speckles. Inside the sneaker, more of that University Blue suede. On your upper, you have your black netting, which you have on all 4s again, and your wings hits. You got your black wing hits with University Blue paint speckles on it. You have your University Blue going all around on your midsole, and you have that white surrounding your air housing, and you got red inside of there with the clear bubble, and you have that black at the very bottom of your midsole. Take a look at the toe box. You can see real short grain of suede. I think it's more like a nubuck But this is your toe box. You have that netting, that black netting going all the way up to the right here. And you have your flight patch stitched on. And you have Jordan Jumpman in flight in white thread. These come with one set of laces. It comes with black laces. I have those somewhere. Yeah, here they go. The black laces these came with. But I wanted a little different look, so I went on and swapped it out. I got me some laces from Lace Lab. These are red wax laces. If you're interested in getting a pair like these, I'll leave the link down in the description. But these are red wax laces. I got these from Lace Lab. They're pretty reasonable. Got them shipped. I think I got free shipping on the laces because I bought more than one pair of laces. I had to buy a couple pair of laces for a sneaker for another cut for a customer. Let's go ahead and look on the inside of the sneaker. Comes with your cardboard shoe tree. Good look at that. And it comes with tissue on that. And look inside the sneaker. You have a red sock liner. You have a red insert. You got the Jordan Jumpman in white in here. And you can see closely, you got your sticker, your side sticker in here, and you got some paint speckles. Let's try to get to the tag. Okay, says size 14. Production date, December 2017 to March 2018. So we had a few months of production on these. Both shoes are exactly the same. You have a couple differences. Oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all the inside of the tongue. This is one of the differences in the two sneakers. You have black on the back of the tongue, and you see travisscott upside down here. On the back of this sneaker, which is the left one, says cactusjack. And here's the back of the right sneaker. You got the Jordan Jumpman logo, red lettering. And up here you have Air Jordan stitched on in University blue. And the travisscott was stitched on University white. And on the inside of the sneaker, of course, you got your cardboard shoe tree again. And tissue. And look on the inside of this one. Says cactusjack in black. Red sock liner, red insert. And the sticker tag is in here as well. And you have your paint speckles all on the insert. These are pretty cool, in high demand. Man, this is a hot sneaker, guys. Comment below, let me know what you think of the sneaker. Were you able to cop when these dropped out? I'm sorry, when these released. I'm gonna put these back on the table. Gonna give y'all one closer look at this, and we'll be back to wrap up the video. Okay, guys, we're back, and before we wrap up the video, got something for y'all. You know, when you step out with your sneakers like I do, you got to be fresh as well. Your clothing, you know, you got to have that drip. So, you know, I got a little something, you know, we got to coordinate. Look what I have. I went to X Gear 101 Balls Life and copped this. Very nice match for the travisscott 4s. Go ahead, put that up there. Comment below what y'all think. I had to go ahead and get it. When I saw it, I was like, bam, this matches those TravissCott fours. I'm about to jump on it. They had very reasonable prices. If you guys are interested in buying from these, from this store, I'll leave that link down below as well. Go ahead and pack this up. Yes, guys, and to wrap the video up, this sneaker came out at Tier 0 stores. It released, I think they did a release on Sneakers app, but it was tough to get on and get this sneaker. Of course, it was limited release. Not sure how many pairs were made, but this sneaker was in demand. And right now, I think the value on my size is around between $600 and $700 right now. So I could make a pretty nice profit if I decided to sell. I know the homie 13 on up was just looking for a pair on IG, but I'm not selling my pair. You would really have to wow me, come at me with some serious heat to get these out of my possession. But comment below, guys. Let me know what you think of the sneakers and what you think of the video. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Y'all come back, check me out next time, and make sure y'all check out the last video I made on the retro 3s that came out All-Star Weekend this year, 2020. Go ahead and check that video out. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. TitanicFeetJack signing out.
Meanwhile,
I don't want to wake up. Want you spread it on the sheet. Set up, it's so good. Set up, it's so sweet. When I wake up, I want you feeling in my dream. And get me high. Oh, under my feet. When I wake up, you decide if I live or die. To the sky, I just want your body close to me. And then my heartbeat, and then along with no heartbeat. I don't wanna wait. Come. Set up is so good. Set up is so sweet.